1,20,000 around. Just look at it, multicolor, and then we have this little cutie. Hey guys, this is Anisha and welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while since I posted, but I was just occupied and I was going through some things, but here I am now. So this video is basically, you can see this huge bag right here. So it's another one of those market prep and what am I bringing to my next market kind of video. So this market is like the same one as the previous one we did in March. Like it has been almost 6 months since I did the last market, 5 months to be exact. I have made a lot of inventory. I think I made more than 1 lakh. It's like 1,20,000 around inventory. So I think it's great. I can probably do a couple of markets with that inventory. Let's see. So I have made more of the things that we sold out of last time. So that's why the inventory number is so high. And I had a lot of time even between all the other things I was doing. Basically this time we have this obviously a huge bag, and I'll show you other things in which we have our material. So this bag, you can see it has all our black clips in it. So basically the heart, the star, the bow, and then we have another one of our bag in which we have something. Then we have one big container right here with keychains. We have another couple of bags. So this time I have like bifurcated the things into small bags, so it is easier for me to arrange things. And by the way, the market is tomorrow, so I'm a bit late recording this video. I've been lazy, you guys. And then we obviously have some more bags here and there, obviously this one, and then we have this huge container which I'm going to show you last. I am going to start with probably the big bag which is right here. So let me just get it to the front. This is a Lego set which my brother gifted me on my birthday. It's Harry Potter related, obviously, so it's just sitting here. Obviously it's very heavy. I'm just going to go ahead and open this bag and then I'll get to you. Okay, so bag is open. This is not how I want the bag to be ideally, but this side is closed, so that's okay for now. Let's just begin. I can see more why is there bag inside of a bag? But anyways, we are going to start with the things that did not really sell in the last markets because I have them right here. So we have obviously a couple of hats and this one beanie that is left from the last market. If you want to see these things, I'm just not going to show it off as much because it was there in a previous video as well. Then we have our 2 mirrors. We made 4 in the last video and then we just sold 2. So we have like this 2 of, I really like this color. I don't know why it didn't sell, but we are just going to keep it inside for now. And then we have couple of bandanas which did not sell in the previous market. I made some more, so I will show it to you a bit later. It's just these are the things that we had in the previous. That is it of the things we had in the previous market and did not sell. So it's just this much. Okay, so let's start with our new beanies that we made. Change of angle a bit because this bag, it took a lot of space, so I have just shifted to the side. Let's start with the beanie. So I made 4 new beanies because obviously winter is approaching. It's rainy season now, but from September, October there will be winter. So I made some beanies. So I actually made 5, but I gave one away to my friend. It was a knitted one which I gave away. It was very cute. I'll put a picture right here of the beanie. So let's start. So this is the first one. It's a teal color. I really like this color. I'm not going to wear any of the because it just spoils my hair and I don't want that to happen right now. But this is the first one. We have this blue beanie. I really like the color of this one as well. Moving on. These are the couple of pink beanies kind of which I made. So this is the first one. It's like a very dark pink type of thing. It's very cute. Love the color. And then this is probably like the best color which I really liked. I would use this color more than the others. It's like a pink, dusty pink color. So these are the 4 beanies and we had one of the previous one as well. So we have 5 beanies in total. So I'm just going to put that aside. Next we have coasters. So in the previous video you might have heard me saying, and by the way, when I say previous video, it means the previous market video, which again I'll link somewhere so you can go and check that out as well. So in the previous market video I told you guys that the coaster did not really sell at the market before that, but during the last market it sold really well for me. So I made a couple of more coasters, but one thing that I noticed was the coasters were a bit smaller. So this time I made sure to make bigger ones. So I'll show you all the coasters right now. I have made like a bunch of coasters, 12 to be precise, new ones, and then we had 3 of the previous small ones. So I'm going to sell the bigger ones at a bit of a higher price, but I have packed all of them because it's better to have it packed already, and if customers ask for color I can tell them that these are the colors available, so I don't have to like rush to pack things. But I do have one coaster which I have just kept it for display purposes, and it's this one. I really like the design. This is like a tulip kind of design. I'll just make it and show it to guys. I also have like a piece of paper where I've written how to make these coasters. I don't know if you. And then we obviously have 3 coasters in a set. I'm just going to show you one. And I think the best things about these coasters are that you can simply put it into your washing machine load and it does not bleeds or anything. So this is the coaster. I'll just put it in the vase and just look at it. It just looks so pretty. So we have a yellow one obviously. And then I'm just going to quickly show you all the other colors that we have. So we have this light pink, we have maroon, we have 2 maroons. So this is the one, and then we have this one. So these are like the same design. I have 3 designs. One is the circle one is a triangle one, and then one is this tulip one. So I'm planning to display all 3 designs so people can choose which they want, even both the sizes as well. So moving forward, we have this white one. Then we have a red one, very pretty. Then I think we have a few more. Oh, we have this purple one, again very pretty. We have a green one. We have another different kind of purple. Then we have a pink one, another pink. Are you surprised? And then last but not the least, we have this orange one. I think this also is a great color combination. These are all the coasters that I have right now. In total, again, we have 15 coasters. These big ones are priced at 500 rupees and the smaller ones are priced at 450 rupees. And also the beanies are priced at 550 rupees. I thought you might be interested in knowing the prices for it. So now moving forward, we are going to go to the Potli bags. This were obviously left over. I don't know why people are not really interested in buying Potli bags because I love them. My makeup is in a Potli bag for like, I don't know, years now, and it looks really cute. But anyways, I am planning, if they don't sell on Saturday, I might bring the prices down. Currently they sit at 250 and 300 and 300 and 350 respectively based on their sizes. But if they still don't sell, I might bring it down by some amount. I'm not sure how much. But again, those are the Potli bags. Next, I think these are a couple of new things that I did not have, so I'm just going to show it to you. Okay, so these hair bands, I wanted to make them for a while. I was planning to make it for the previous market as well, but I did not end up making. So I made it this time without fail. So these are basically, I think, one of my favorite things I made this time. So this is basically a normal black hairband, and I have stick some flower, and it looks so pretty. Like I can wear this one. It just, look at it. I really like it. It just matches my dress as well. Wait, I have one more which matches it much better, I feel. So again, this is the classic daisy one. Then we have this one which I think matches my dress really well. This is the black and white one. So look at it. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. I really love those. And then we have, obviously we have to have another classic, which is this sunflower one. It's not even like only small girls can wear it. Anyone can. Like literally, look at it. Okay. So these are the 3 hairbands I made. I have priced them each at 300 rupees. I think it's fair because 5 flowers plus this black thing. So I have priced them at 300 rupees. And we have one more hairband which was left over from last time. So yeah, I'm not going to talk about that much. When you have like one of something, people are not really, attracted towards that because people want options. So yeah, I think these are going to sell good. I hope they do because they are one of the favorite things I have in this market. So now moving forward, we obviously have bandanas. I've showed a few to you before. Now I'm just going to show you some of the new ones that I made. So basically, there are a few colors that I made more of. I think I discussed about them in a video somewhere because I made them when I was in Goa. If you have not checked that video out, I'll link it in the description as well. Basically, I did not make a lot more bandanas. These are just a few ones I made. So I'm just going to quickly go through those. So this is the first one. Obviously, it was there last time as well, and we sold out of it. So I made 3 more of those. And then I think this is a new color that I bought, or I am not, yeah, I think so. This is also very pretty. It's basically white, and then there are some shades of the rainbow, I think, purple, orange, red. So these are the couple of new hairbands I made. And I made 2 more. So I made 2 of this cream colors. I made it recently, so I haven't tagged it yet. Oh no, I have. So my mom tagged it. So yeah, this is basically all the new bandanas. I have made 8 new ones. I have 16 in total, and if I think I had 8 before and I made 8 more. So we have 16 bandanas in total. So that's really nice. We have 1 tablecloth left. Last time we sold 2. So we have this blue one. I might also reduce the price of it on Sunday if it does not sell on Saturday. So let's see about that. The next thing, we have are some of our flowers which I'm going to really show you quick. So basically I made 50 roses, and that is also a separate video, and I have packed it in a box, like a fan box which I had. So I just packed it all, so I don't want to open that. But if you want to see all the colors of roses that I made for this market, I'll link the video right here or in the description somewhere. So yeah, those are the roses. But other flowers, I did not make any more tulips because I just did not feel like making tulips this time. I have like a couple from the last one. Let me see how much. I have 5 tulips left from the last market. So I'm going to just bring those. I'll just show you the colors which I have left. So these are like the 3 colors of tulips I have left. I just have like couple of pink and orange, and I have like one of the other pink color. So yeah, this we have 5 tulips. And then I made, this is obviously our daisy, and I made 20 of the sunflowers because sunflowers were sold out. So I just made 12-13 daisies, and then we have 20 sunflowers as well. So in total, if we go for the flowers, we have 57 roses, 13 daisies, 5 tulips, and 20 sunflowers. So these, if I like count them, it makes 70, 80, 90, 95 flowers. That's great, I feel. Should I make 5 more? No, I can't. Tomorrow is the market. I can't make 5 more flowers. So moving on to the flower pots. Last time we sold 5. I did not make any new ones. So we have 3 left. We have 1 tulip. Then we have 1 rose one, white rose. I think people don't buy white roses just because they think it will get dirty easily. But we still have 1 white rose. We have 1 sunflower. I think sunflowers are probably my favorite ones. We don't have any daisies this time, but I think that's okay. So those are all the flowers which I have with me right now. Then we have black clips. Again, you guys know I have this heart one, then I have a star one, and I have a, so this is a star ones, and I also have a bow one. So this is the bow one basically. So I have 123 of those, and obviously being the kind of person I am, I have separated them into the colors. That pink I have 2, green 3, all of that jazz. I have done it, but I'm not going to bore you guys with it. So we have 123 clips. Again, my laptop is right there, so I'm just looking there constantly. We have 123 clips. We have 44 of the heart ones, 34 of the bow ones, and 45 of the star ones, and I sell pair for 50 rupees. So those that, and then obviously we have the sunflower clip and the daisy clip, the leaf clip, which I had in the previous market as well. I have a couple of those left, so I've just included them. So those sell for 250 rupees. I'll just show it to you guys. Basically, these are the clips. They have a golden clip at the back. So yeah, that's that. This is the daisy one. So this is a sunflower one, and then I have like 1 daisy one left. And then I also have one which I keep it separately so I can show people how it looks. So yeah, those are that. First things are the bags I made. So I have not made bags for a market before, but I was really excited to make those. So I'm just going to show you the 4 bags I have. So let's start with this one. If you guys have seen my previous videos, this was a whip I had for like a long time. So I finally finished it in one of my videos. You can check that vlog out. So this is like a crap bag type of thing. It has a handle, and you can just wear it like this or just carry it in your hand. It's like so pretty. It has so many colors. Mostly all of them are related to red, like orange, maroon, pink, all of those. And I've just made it with granny stitches. It's not a pattern. I just freehanded these. So this is the first bag that we have. Next are market mesh bags. I don't remember whose pattern it is, but if I do, I'll link the pattern obviously for you guys. This is a purple one which I made on my trip to Goa. So this is the first one. It's a purple. It just looks so nice. So it's closed shut. So that's not a problem. The only thing I think people are going to talk or have a problem with is it has holes. So I was planning to like sew a kind of a inner, but I did not get to it. So we have like one in purple, and then we have 2 more colors. Just let me know in the comment box below which one is your favorite. We have this coffee color bag. It's very cute. So this one, and then last but not the least, classic black, gray, and white one. I think yeah, this looks cute as well. So these are the 4 bags that I have currently. I am planning to just hang them up, and yeah, let's see. So I'm selling this for 1,000 rupees. I think it's still a bit low for these bags because they took a long time to make, but I think I can part ways with them with 1,000 rupees. So let's see if we sell any of those. Let's move on to the things I think that I sell the most of, which are clips, keychains, and what else? And soft toys. Yeah, we made a lot of soft toys this time. So let's start with keychains, and we'll start with a classic, our whale keychain. So this time I have 20 whale keychains, I believe. I'll just check quickly for you guys. Yeah, I have 20 whale keychains. So I'm just going to go through them very quickly. We have another something related to pink. We have purple, we have a blue, we have a maroon, we have another maroon. These two are different, surely. But we have those, and I think this is my favorite color. Just look at it. I don't know what that color is called also. Then we have like a red, light red lipstick color. We have this, oh, okay. I love this one as well. Then we have a blue, we have a purple, a green, and then we have this sandy color. We have another shade of pink, and we have like an actual pink color. I think I miss a few. I don't know. I have 20 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I surely missed 5. I don't know where they are, but I have 20. Trust me, guys. They might be in this big box which is right here. Next, let's move on to the octopus. Let's move on to the octopus. Again, I made 20 large octopus, and then we have 3 small because some people prefer small octopus. So I made 3 of those. So let's go through it. We have a purple. Then again, we have this one. I don't know what color this is. We have a light orange. I really like this color. Then we have this one. This is like a Halloween color, I think. And then obviously, oh, look at it. One more whale. So 16. We are down to 16 whales. We need to find 4 more. Then we have an orange. We have this lipstick kind of shade. So most of the shades for both whale and of course are same. We have green and yellow. All of these are classics. I had like two or three octos and whale combined left last time, so I made much more. We have a pink. I think this is a small one. Yeah, this is a small one. Then we have some green. This is a gold one. And then we have this one. I don't know what color that is. And then we have another couple of small ones. One is this multicolor, and then we have this blue small one. Yeah. We have a red, another pink, a blue, another shade of pink, another dark blue, and a maroon. So we have 24 octos in total. The big octos as well as the whales sell for 200 rupees, and the small ones sell for 150 rupees. So let's move to this big box which we have right here, and let's see what all keychains we have in this. Oh, these are the whales. We were 16. So there's 17 and 18. And then behold, this is a whale I made in one of my vlogs. This is like a plushy whale keychain. I am going to sell it for 250 rupees, I believe. Yeah, 250 rupees for this big boy. I'm just going to keep them with other whales. And now we are going to go towards our bow keychains. I made quite a few of them. So we have this green one, then we have a gray one, then we have a maroon one, because maroon clips sold really well. So I thought people will be interested in a maroon bow keychain as well. And then I don't know what's about this color, but I really like this one. It's like a purpley pink color. This is the last of this color that I had left, so I decided to just make it into a keychain. Then we have this one, which is like a light light red. Then we have a pink one, a couple of them. Like I made 2 of all of them. And then we have this sunset color. I don't know if I showed it to you. Another blue one. This is also very cute, classic. And then obviously I had to make a black one, and I'm selling it for 150 rupees. So these are probably all the colors that I have. Moving forward, I have the 3 classic bestseller keychains. So the first one is this sunflower one. I had price tag all of them because obviously I can't do all of it today. So this is the brown and the back is green. Then we have another one of the sunflowers, and this is a classic, just a brown one with a bit of a different petals shade. So we have 2 of the sunflowers, different kind. And then obviously we have the classic daisy one. So these are the best sellers. Not this one because this is a new one, but this too. I sold out of them like very quickly. So we have made 20 of this one, the sunflower one, 20 of the other sunflower, and then we made 30 of the daisies, and I'm selling them for 150 rupees each. Moving on, I have a new keychain design which I made. It's this flat strawberry. I also made this in one of the video. So this is the size I'm going to sell. This is probably the cheapest keychain I have in my shop. It's for 100 rupees. It's just very cute, very concise, so you can use it for like anything and anyone can use it. So yeah, we have made 10 of these, and if you have seen this video, I made a large one by accident, so I'm just going to sell the large one for 200 rupees. So we have one of the large one and then 10 of the small one. So I'm really excited about these sets of keychains. Probably one of the best keychains I have. So they are priced a bit higher than my other keychain. So let us start with this one. It's like a strawberry 3D strawberry keychain, and I'm going to sell this one for 200 rupees. I made like 10 of them. Moving on to our higher price keychain. Are you guys ready? So it's this dark keychain. It's like a rubber duck, but it's crochet. So crochet rubber duck. So this is the classic yellow one. I made 5 of the classic yellow, and then I did make some colorful ones. So for the colorful ones, I've never seen, and there is never a duck in this color, but I still made it. There's this purple one. It's so cute. I mean, look at it. Then we have this pink one because I had to make a pink one. So we have this pink one. Then I think these two. Oh yeah, we have this one as well. This is another one of like the multicolor one. And these two probably are the shades of duck. So I have this gray one. Very cute. And I think this might be my favorite color. It's a golden duck. Cricket reference. If you know, it's like a golden duck. So yeah, I really like this one. So we have 10 ducks in total, and I'm going to sell these ducks for 250 rupees. Now, these are my favorite keychains I have ever made, and I am yet to complete them. So yeah, I just have to make some more of those. So I'm still going to show it to you guys. Let me just search for those right now. Are you guys ready? These are my penguin keychain. I mean, look at them. Tell me it's not cute. It's so cute. I just have to put the ring. So this is the first color. This is gray and black. I made 2 of those. So we have like 2 of black and gray. Then I made one in browns, like dark brown, light brown. And the best thing is they just sit like this. Then we have a dark blue and light blue. I really like this one as well. Then we have a blue and a purple one. Then we have, I think I really like this one as well. We have a green one. Then we have a red one. And then last but not the least, we have a pink one. I mean, oh my god, this is so cute. And I am going to make 2 more because I have just made 8 and I really want 10. Again, these keychains, the penguin one and the duck one, are going to sell for 250 rupees. So those are, I think, all the keychains that I have. I'm just going to quickly check if I missed anything. No, I don't think so. So only keychain which I had last time and I don't have this time are the donuts. And I really don't want to make any more. I am tired of making. So yeah, now I think the last few things that are left. So let's move on to our bags, pouches. Yeah, that's what it's called. We have 2 square pouch which is similar to this one. It was left from a previous market, and then another one of the things that I sold out of the previous market. So this time I made 50 of them. Just imagine 50. I don't know what I was thinking, but we have a few colors. I made like 15 colors, and then I made 5 of the sunflower design. So let's start with the sunflower one. So this is the sunflower. I think this was really popular the last time, so I made 5 of them. These are the sunflower ones, and now I'm going to quickly show you through all the other colors that we have. We have a green one. Then we have this iron color. I don't know what this color is called. I don't remember. And this pink color. Then we have a silver and a black one. We have a brown design. Then we have a blue classic. Then we have these multi-color ones. Then we have like a daisy kind of thing. I was going for a daisy, so yellow and white. Then we have like a red one. We have like a pink. This is cream inside and then pink outside. Then I think this was my favorite last time. This is yellow and purple. I really like this color combination. I don't know why more people don't. Then we have a gold and a purple. I just feel this relates more to one of the IPL, like the cricket teams. Have a light pink and dark pink. So I think these are all the ones. Oh, we also have this white and orange. So yeah, we have like 50 of those, and I'm going to sell them for 200 rupees each. So now I think we are at the end state, and that means it's time for soft toys, and I'm very proud of all the soft toys I have made. It might not be surprising for you guys because this time whenever I made a soft toy and I really liked it, I made a keychain out of it. So I think you know where this is going. I am very excited to show it to you guys, but you can like guess what kind of soft toys there are going to be. Let's start with some of the things that we had in the previous market and we sold out of. And to start, I really love it. This is our veil. This is a pink one. It's a bit smaller. So I'm going to sell it for 500 rupees. I mean, look at it. It's just so soft. I love it. And it just stands. It's like a very cute thing to put it on your side table. And then this one also we had. This is like a tan color and it has a black color belly. So this is the second one. And then I think these are the new ones that I made. It's this blue one. It's very cute. So I have 2 of those. And then we have this one reversible octopus. it was broken, so I just mended it and I can now sell it. So yeah, we have this reversible octopus. It was left from the last one. Rest I have made it all new. Then moving on, we have this little cutie, and this is probably the most costliest software I have. It's for 850 rupees. But I mean, tell me it's not cute. It's just so cute, and it can also sit on your hand or like side table. Next, again, these are some of the things I made as a software and I really love, so I made as a keychain. So yeah, you guessed it right. First is this little cutie. I mean, oh my god, it's a duck. And then I have like two of the ducks, very cute. I'm selling them for 500 rupees. And then the last ones that I have are the penguins. I made it like, yes, a couple of days back. So we have like two of them. It is so cute, and I'm going to sell them for 450 rupees. I feel with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you like all of the things you see. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite one among it. And I really hope this market goes well. It's been raining whole day today. I feel, I don't know, I just hope that tomorrow the weather is a bit better, and it's a long weekend as well. So I hope people come to the mall and shop around. So I'm just fingers crossed it will go well. I might or might not vlog during the pop-up or the exhibition. I mean, I'm just not sure if I can, but if I can, I'll update you guys. Otherwise, I will definitely make a wrap-up video that will obviously come in the second part or next week or something. But yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Comment down below again which one was your favorite, and do you think I price my crochet stuff fairly, or do you think it's underpriced or overpriced? Just let me know any of your thoughts in the comment down below. And also subscribe to my channel. We are so close to hitting 500 subscribers. I really hope to reach 500 really soon. So yeah, I think that's it, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.